Alright, so we've got the macro lens on. We're just going to have a look at the white fibres that live inside. So as you can see, they are separate fibres. Gosh, the Floury bakers are hairy. I can see why the hairy cicada existed. Not quite the same, but interesting. So all these bits of external and even parts that were internal because of how a cicada or insect works, these fibres pretty much keep the cicada together. You can see right into the abdomen there. You've got the fibres running down either side of the, whatever the technical term is for the middle of the back end of the cicada. It's quite interesting though to see these fibres come around and all join up. I do wonder why she emerged early in the morning though. I didn't realise one of our other cicadas here, the double drummer, that's what it does. It comes out during the day. I found one once, I was like, wow, what are the chances? Apparently extremely high, because that's when they come out. Those digging claws. The antennas, you see the segments there. The changing front leg configuration, it's kind of cool. Interestingly, the Floury baker always seems to be pretty clean. Like, there's not much dirt on the actual cicada shell. Some of the others we have around here, the Black Prince and Green Grocer, they're a bigger cicada, but I'm pretty sure their shell often has mud around, all over it. That's one thing I found interesting when I was comparing all the different shells. I found 4 different types here, as far as I could tell. And the good thing was, because I had this particular shell that I knew a Floury baker came out of, and a Floury baker female, I would then be able to compare it with other ones of similar shape and size. These days you've got DNA that you can use, but I guess in the olden days they would have used physiological traits to identify and categorize. Humans love to categorize things. And that's why the Floury baker lives in its own little family. Because it's not quite like the others. It does some things a bit different. But I'm sure the rest of the cicada family will eventually catch up as we go hotter and hotter. More unpredictability in the weather will not make the cicada very happy. Apparently in France this year it was too hot for the cicadas to sing. If they don't sing, they can't mate. If they don't mate, the species disappears. Overall though, very cool sample. So thank you for watching. This has been a very quick video on just cicada. Ooh, is that one of his legs? Go down a leg. And of course the nose is a massive pump. So before we go, we'll just see if we can get into the head of a cicada. It's incredible how they release hemolymph, blood, into the surrounds of their old exoskeleton, and the pressure difference causes it to crack along the back. That's why sometimes, if you are looking for cicadas, you'll come across one that has a like it's stuck because it didn't split properly. I had one where the abdomen had sort of there was a growth, and as a result there wasn't enough, like the hemolymph looks like it, when it went to emerge, it actually came out the underside of the poor thing. Of course the only way to make these ones happy is to destroy them mechanically, set them free. A bit sad, but you don't want your cicadas to suffer. Don't want anything to suffer. Overall, a very cool experience. Thanks for watching.